Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Focus. This gets you straight into modes. Once there, tap an existing mode to edit or hit the plus to create a new one. Make sure Share Across Devices is on if you want the same behavior across your iPhone and Mac. Choose a preset for speed or custom to tailor who and what can interrupt you. These initial choices determine how strict notifications are, so pick the base that matches your goal. Next, configure who and what can interrupt you. Tap People to add contacts allowed to call or message, and decide whether to include favorites. Then move to Apps and permit only the apps that must alert you. Use time-sensitive toggles sparingly. After that, set a schedule or automation. Time ranges, location, or opening an app can switch focus on for you. Once done, these settings balance availability with concentration by limiting noise to essential sources. To finish, customize home and lock screens so only relevant apps or widgets appear while focus is active. This reduces distraction visually. Then test it. Open Control Center and toggle your focus on and off. Send a message or trigger the scheduled automation to confirm allowed interruptions behave as expected. If it fails, make sure Share Across Devices and Focus status settings match on your other devices, and check for overlapping Do Not Disturb or
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.